Looking for the perfect outdoor rocking chair to upgrade your patio, porch, or backyard comfort? Then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best outdoor rocking chairs that combine style, durability, and next-level comfort. Perfect for relaxing evenings, morning coffee, or even weekend gatherings. And before we dive in, quick heads up. Every single chair featured in this video comes with a direct link in the description box below. So if you want to check the latest price, discounts, or full details, go ahead and click those links right now, before the deals change. Trust me, some of these are limited time offers. Whether you want a cozy cushioned rocker or a heavy-duty all-weather chair, we've got you covered. Stick till the end because number 1 might completely transform your outdoor relaxation experience. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, SERWALL Outdoor Rocking Chair Set of 2, we have a highly durable and stylish option that's perfect for any outdoor setting, the SERWALL Outdoor Rocking Chair Set of 2. If you're looking for a combination of comfort, strength, and weather resistance, this one definitely deserves your attention. Made from high-density polyethylene, also known as HDPE, this chair is built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, including rain, sun, and even snow, without fading or cracking. One of the standout features is its oversized ergonomic design, which provides excellent back support and a smooth rocking motion that feels incredibly relaxing after a long day. The wide armrests add extra comfort, making it perfect for holding drinks or just resting your arms while enjoying the outdoors. Another big advantage is its low-maintenance design. You won't need to worry about constant cleaning or upkeep. The assembly process is also straightforward, making it beginner-friendly. Whether you're placing it on a porch, garden, or patio, this chair blends well with almost any outdoor decor. If you want a long-lasting, reliable, and comfortable rocking chair set at a great value, this is a solid choice. For more details and the latest price, check the link in the description box below. Coming in at number 4, we have something a little more unique and comfort-focused. The SWITTE Oversized Papasan Rocking Chair. This chair stands out immediately with its cozy, lounge-style design that feels more like a personal relaxation pod than a traditional rocking chair. It features a large, thick cushioned seat that provides exceptional comfort, making it perfect for long hours of relaxation, reading, or even taking a nap outdoors. The sturdy metal frame, combined with durable wicker construction, ensures both stability and long-term use. One of the biggest highlights is its oversized structure, which gives you plenty of space to sit back and fully relax without feeling restricted. The rocking motion is smooth and balanced, adding to the overall comfort experience. It's also versatile enough to be used both indoors and outdoors, which makes it a great value for those who want flexibility. The cushion is soft yet supportive, maintaining its shape even after extended use. If comfort is your top priority and you want something that feels luxurious and relaxing, this chair is definitely worth considering. For more details and to check current pricing, visit the link in the description box below. At number 3, we have a slightly different but highly functional option, the PHI Villa Outdoor Swivel Patio Chair Set. While it's not a traditional rocker, it offers a smooth swivel and gentle rocking motion that delivers a similar relaxing experience with added flexibility. This set is perfect for those who want a multifunctional outdoor seating solution. It features a strong metal frame that ensures durability and long-term stability, even with regular use. The chairs come with padded textiline fabric that provides both comfort and breathability, making them ideal for hot weather conditions. One of the standout features is the 360-degree swivel capability, allowing you to move freely without having to reposition the chair. This is especially useful for social gatherings or outdoor dining setups. The design is sleek and modern, blending well with most patio or garden themes. Another advantage is its weather-resistant build, which helps it withstand outdoor conditions without losing quality. If you want something versatile, comfortable, and slightly more dynamic than a standard rocking chair, this is a fantastic option. For more details and the latest deals, check the link in the description box below. We have one of the most comfortable options on this list now at number 2, the Grand Patio Cozy Papasan Rocker Chair. This chair is designed with relaxation in mind, offering a deep, cushioned seat that feels incredibly soft and supportive. The large circular design allows you to sit in multiple positions, making it perfect for lounging, reading, or simply enjoying the outdoors. It features a sturdy steel frame combined with weather-resistant materials, ensuring both durability and long-term performance. The thick cushion adds a premium feel, providing excellent comfort even during extended use. One of the standout features is its smooth rocking motion, which enhances the overall relaxation experience. It's also designed for both indoor and outdoor use, giving you more flexibility in placement. The aesthetic is modern and cozy, making it a great addition to any patio or balcony setup. If your main goal is maximum comfort with a stylish design, this chair is hard to beat. For more details and to check the latest price, make sure to visit the link in the description box below. And finally, we have the ultimate outdoor rocking chair setup that combines comfort, style, and functionality at number 1. The Belord Outdoor Wicker Swivel Rocker Chair Set with Side Table. This is not just a chair, but a complete relaxation package. It includes beautifully designed wicker rocker chairs along with a matching side table, making it perfect for patios, porches, or backyard setups. The chairs feature a smooth swivel and rocking motion, giving you the best of both worlds in terms of movement and comfort. The thick cushions provide excellent support and are designed for long-lasting comfort. The wicker construction adds a premium look while also being weather-resistant, ensuring durability in outdoor conditions. One of the biggest advantages is the included side table, which adds convenience for placing drinks, books, or other essentials. The build quality feels solid and high-end, making it a great investment for long-term use. If you're looking for a complete, stylish, and ultra-comfortable outdoor rocking solution, this is easily the best choice on this list. For more details and the latest offers, check the link in the description box below. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one, where we help you buy smart and live better.